In this video, we're going to talk about a couple of the variations of the split squat, and all three of these variations could be applied to any of the split squats we've talked about so far. The first and most common we use is a pause, which will look like such. Okay? With the position set up, we will add a pause at the bottom of the position where we are still in control. My knee is not touching the ground. And then driving back up and repeated with each rep. This is a great opportunity for you to challenge the most difficult part of the lift, which is often the bottom, and it will allow you to assess where your weight is distributed in that position so you can make sure your technique is solid. If you're feeling good about that, you can take it a step further by addressing the eccentric tempo. That is a slower down phase of the movement and looks like such. Typically we're taking about 3 to 4 seconds, and what that's going to allow us to do is the eccentric part of a muscle group or movement is going to be stronger than the concentric. So it's going to allow you to challenge this further without necessarily adding to weights or anything like that. That could put added stress on your joints. So if you're feeling a little bit of knee discomfort, or hip discomfort, this will allow you to progress it without loading up the body more. If you made it through both of those and you want that most challenging variation, it's going to be the 1 1/4 split squat, and this is a fan favorite. Looks like this. Okay? It is like performing an additional half a rep at the bottom of each rep. It is fantastic for making this exercise more difficult, again without progressing, and it allows you to be concentrated on what muscles are firing to initiate that movement. So if you do have an issue of sitting back on your hips or something like that, it's going to be really obvious in that position, and make sure these positions as a whole give you a lot of confidence to move forward to a harder variation.